Welcome to ReneEnergy.com on YouTube, the hub for all things renewable energy and sustainability. Our channel is dedicated to bringing you the latest innovations and insights in green energy, including cutting-edge developments like green hydrogen. Whether you're a sustainability veteran or just beginning your journey, we have something for everyone. Today we're exploring exciting new projects that are paving the way for a sustainable future. And don't forget, for more in-depth information and resources, visit our website and subscribe to our newsletter for the latest updates and exclusive content.
Welcome to today's episode on ReneEnergy.com, where we embark on an insightful journey into the transformative potential of green hydrogen, especially in heavy industries. As the world grapples with the urgent need to reduce carbon emissions, industries like chemical, steel, cement, and power generation are at a crucial juncture. These sectors, historically known for their high carbon footprint, are now looking towards innovative solutions to balance environmental responsibilities with economic growth. Green hydrogen emerges as a beacon of hope in this scenario. Produced using renewable energy sources, it offers a sustainable alternative to traditional fossil fuels. But what makes green hydrogen so vital for these industries? It's the ability to integrate seamlessly into existing infrastructures while significantly reducing carbon emissions. This episode will delve deep into how green hydrogen can revolutionize these sectors, paving the way for a cleaner, greener future. As we progress, we'll explore the various applications, challenges, and opportunities that green hydrogen presents for each industry. From reducing greenhouse gases in chemical production to revolutionizing the steel manufacturing process, the potential is immense. We'll also look at the role of green hydrogen in cement production, a sector pivotal to urban development but also a substantial contributor to global emissions. Lastly, we'll examine how the power generation sector, the backbone of modern economies, can be reimagined with green hydrogen. Join us in this exploration of green hydrogen's role in heavy industries and its potential to be the key to a zero-carbon world. Green hydrogen in the chemical industry. The chemical industry, integral to our daily lives, is facing an environmental reckoning. Traditionally reliant on fossil fuels, this sector is now turning to green hydrogen as a sustainable alternative. Green hydrogen's role in the chemical industry is multifaceted. It can be used as a raw material, a reducing agent, and an energy source, offering a cleaner production process. Currently, the production of chemicals like ammonia and methanol, essential for fertilizers and plastics, involves significant carbon emissions. Green hydrogen provides an opportunity to produce these chemicals in an environmentally friendly manner. The transition to green hydrogen in chemical production is not just about reducing carbon emissions, it's about redefining the industry's future. However, the shift to green hydrogen comes with challenges. The need for new infrastructure, the cost of transitioning technologies, and maintaining production efficiencies are significant hurdles. Yet, the opportunities outweigh these challenges. Governments and private entities are increasingly investing in research and development, and pilot projects are demonstrating the viability of green hydrogen in chemical production. In this section, we'll explore the innovations driving the adoption of green hydrogen in the chemical industry, the economic implications, and the potential environmental benefits. This shift represents a significant step towards a sustainable future, where the chemical industry can continue to thrive without compromising the health of our planet. Transforming the steel industry with green hydrogen. The steel industry, one of the most carbon-intensive sectors, is now at the forefront of a green revolution, with green hydrogen playing a pivotal role. Steel manufacturing traditionally relies on coal, contributing significantly to global CO2 emissions. However, green hydrogen offers an innovative solution, replacing coal in steel production, thus drastically reducing the environmental impact. The integration of green hydrogen in steelmaking involves using it as a reducing agent to convert iron ore into steel, a process that emits water vapor instead of CO2. This transition not only benefits the environment but also positions the steel industry as a leader in sustainable practices. Despite the promise, challenges such as the high costs of green hydrogen production and the need for substantial investments in new technologies are obstacles that need addressing. Nevertheless, the steel industry's commitment to this transition is evident. Major steel companies are already investing in green hydrogen projects, and governments are supporting these initiatives through funding and policy frameworks. In this section, we'll delve into the ongoing projects and future plans of leading steel manufacturers in adopting green hydrogen. We'll also examine the economic and environmental implications of this transition and the role of policy in facilitating these changes. The transformation of the steel industry with green hydrogen is not just a possibility, it's already underway, marking a significant stride towards a sustainable industrial future. Cement industry's green hydrogen revolution. The cement industry, essential for global infrastructure development, is another major contributor to CO2 emissions. However, green hydrogen presents an opportunity to revolutionize this industry. Utilizing green hydrogen in cement production can significantly reduce carbon emissions, contributing to global decarbonization goals. Green hydrogen can be used in cement manufacturing to power kilns and for calcination, processes that are traditionally dependent on fossil fuels. This shift not only helps in reducing emissions but also enhances energy efficiency. The transition to green hydrogen in the cement industry is a pivotal move towards eco-friendly production methods. Green hydrogen's integration into kiln operation and calcination processes could revolutionize the way cement is produced. By replacing fossil fuels, the cement industry can significantly reduce its carbon footprint. This shift is not merely about adhering to environmental regulations but about embracing a sustainable future. The adoption of green hydrogen brings with it the promise of a cleaner production process, decreased greenhouse gas emissions, and a positive step towards global decarbonization efforts. As we progress towards a more sustainable future, the role of green hydrogen in industries like cement manufacturing becomes increasingly crucial. The implementation of green hydrogen in the cement industry is not just an environmental imperative but also a strategic business decision. By adopting this clean energy source, cement manufacturers can future-proof their operations against stricter carbon regulations and potential carbon taxes. Moreover, this transition can open up new markets for eco-conscious consumers and businesses, enhancing the brand value and competitiveness of companies that embrace green hydrogen. As the world increasingly demands sustainable building materials, the cement industry's shift to green hydrogen can be a cornerstone in meeting these evolving needs while contributing significantly to global climate change mitigation efforts. To explore the transformative impact of green hydrogen in your industry, we invite you to visit the link below to access our complimentary feasibility template. This resource is designed to assist in assessing the potential and practicality of green hydrogen specific to your industry's requirements. It's important to note that this template is intended solely for informational purposes. Conclusion: green hydrogen is not just an innovative solution, it's a crucial element in achieving a zero-carbon world. Its application across various heavy industries is essential for a sustainable future. Keep following renewenergy.com for more updates and insights on renewable energy innovations and practical solutions.
Thanks for tuning into the renewenergy.com YouTube channel. We trust you found this episode enlightening and motivating. There's a world of innovation and opportunity in sustainable energy, and we're delighted to share this journey with you. Stay in the loop with the latest on renewable energy and sustainability by visiting our website and subscribing to our newsletter. Your support is immensely appreciated. It's truly invaluable to us. Don't miss our next video on new trends in renewable energy. Follow us on social media for the latest updates. Enjoyed the video? Like, subscribe, and share for more green insights. Thanks for watching.